So in our first example, Jasmine knows that the area of the rectangle is the product of the base times the height. Sometimes you'll see it written as the length times the width. It really doesn't matter. It's one side times the other. Okay? And then they give us a diagram where we know that the height is 8 and we don't know what b is. So they want us to write an expression that gives us the area of the rectangle. So this would be my expression, right? That's an expression and the expression is just, remember that an expression is some representation of a mathematical operation. So b times h is technically the expression. And then we're told to find the area. So part 2 is find the area if b equals 10. So does anybody have a clue how we might do that? Well, let's start with the expression, right? So the area is equal to b times h. We're told that b will be 10, right? What's h? If this is b, what value is h? 8. Yeah, this is h. Good. Okay. So then this is 8. So now I'm just going to plug that in. A is equal to 10 times 8. It doesn't really give us units. So what's 10 times 8? 80. And then we say units squared. And that's the answer.